This is Excel lesson C, chapter 1, lesson 9, page 403. Students will need student data E-try09 file to do this. Using drag and drop editing feature enables you to use the mouse to copy or move a range of cells simply by dragging them. To use drag and drop, select a range to copy or move, and then you use the border surrounding the range to drag the data to a different location. When you release the mouse button, the data is dropped in that location. Let's go ahead and jump to step number 1. We're going to drag over the range A7, E7 to select it. So here's A7 and drag over to E7 to select it. And then we're going to point over the border of the selection in step 2. Notice that it changes to a 4-headed arrow. We click and drag down, and when you see the A8E8 screen tip, release the mouse, and then you get a message that says, do you want to replace the contents of the destination cells? And we say yes. In step 3, we drag over the range G4, K4 to select it. G4 to K4. Next, we will use drag and drop to move the selection to row 7 of the cell's data. Right over here. Next, in step number 5, we will click row 9 row heading to select it. So here's the row 9 heading to select it. And then in step 6, we'll click the delete button in the home tab all the way over here. We'll click that, and notice that when I click this, it will delete this blank row. Bring that up. And steps 7 and 8, I believe that was a book error. That is why I have scratched these, and we will not have to do it because there is no G5, K5 to clear any contents from there. So this concludes the lesson on drag and drop.